Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm solving this temporary limit where we are told that that we need to provide proof of address, submit your bank statement, and provide more information about the transaction. So my PayPal has been limited. This is the impact on the PayPal. The once I come here, I can see what is the impact on your PayPal. I cannot using PayPal. I cannot use it today. I cannot refund money to my customers. I cannot send money or payments to my customers. I cannot withdraw money. I cannot remove bank account. But you can close your you cannot even close your PayPal account. You cannot remove your debit card, and you cannot remove your bank statement. So I found that this is a temporary limit. Your account is temporarily limited. Once we get into that, we notice that you have been using PayPal in a questionable manner, and we have to explain some we have to explain the reason. So we have to explain. So I'll take you one on one on what happens in case you have this. So I got to my PayPal account. I found this red thing. It tells me submit information of information funds. To continue having access to your funds, you need to submit